So this video will focus on helping you solve linear equations, right? I see students, struggling with this, that they get to this 3x plus 12 is equals to 24. What is x? Sometimes they make mistakes with things like it. So we're just going step by step. So if you can, because time and work, time to arithmetic, algebra, geometry, every block that you will be solving would have, involvement of solving these basic things. So if you do not get this clear, let's say you've understood every concept but you make a mistake in the last step, then it's like you're finally going to get a negative or zero score for it, which is useless, right? So 2x is equals to 32. I'll solve them. What is 2x? 2 into x is equals to 32. So you have to understand this. So let me just take the same case like this, right? I can have 2 plus x is equals to 32 is one possibility. 2 minus x is equals to 32 is another possibility. Or 2 into x is another possibility. 2 divided by x. Then I can write it as 2 divided by x or whatever it is. Right? Let me deal with all of them one by one. So when I do this, send this to that side. 2 plus x is like this, right? Plus 2 plus x is equals to 32. So plus goes that side, becomes minus. Plus 2 plus x is equals to plus 32. That means plus x is equals to plus 32. Plus 2 goes that side, it will has to become minus 2. Right? So that will become x is 30. Right? If you're still confused, if when you solve it, do one thing, right? Just at least substitute it back it here. 2 plus 30 is 32. I'm satisfying the equation, so that is fine. At least do that basic check. 2 minus x is equals to 32. What you should do is this. My goal, whenever I see an equation even like this, first of all, get everything x, 3x to one side and then all the constants to other side. I get to 12 and then this is 3 into x and then send it to this side. So I have to finally get x is equals to something, right? That's my goal. So what I'll do is I'll send x to this side because it's minus x, I want to make it plus x. So it becomes 2 is equals to 32 plus x. Otherwise I can write it as plus 2 is equals to plus 32 plus x. Let's send it this side. That will make it plus 2 minus 30 equals, minus 32 is equals to x. 2 minus 32 is minus 30 is equals to x. That's the value for x. Right, again as I said, let's put it here. I'll get 2 minus of minus 30 is equals to plus 30. That will give me 32. I am satisfying this. Fair enough. Now 2 into x is equals to 32. 2 into x is equals to 32. This is into, right? Plus 2 into x is equals to 32. What you have to do, this whatever is multiplying with the variable, when it goes to the other side of equals to, it has to become by. It will become 32 divided by 2. Right, here also I had 3x is equals to 12, 3 into x is equals to 12. When it goes to that side, it will become x is equals to 12 by 3. Multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication, addition becomes subtraction, subtraction becomes addition. Don't miss that part, right? It will be like 2 16 there, 32. Now I got x is equals to 16. Immediately plug it back here. 2 into 16 is 32, which is satisfying this. LHS, RHS is same, so I am fine. Now the last one, 2 by x equals to 32. As I said, this is like sort of cross multiplication. When you have fractions like this, you can look at this approach. You can think like this. X into 32 is equals to 2 into 1 is 2. Now x into 32, right? So it will be 2 by 32. It goes that into the denominator. Into 32 becomes divided by 32. 2 1s are 2 16s are. That will be 1 by 16 is the value for x. As I said, you can again plug it here. So that will be like 2 by x is 1 by 16. So as I said, 2 by 1 by 16 division of a fraction will be like this. 2 into reciprocal of this. That is 16 by 1, that will give me 32. This is what I have to get, so that's fine. So this is how you should solve, right? It's a very, very basic thing. Trust me, this is very important as well. So don't miss that part. I somehow see students struggling sometimes, that's why I am repeating this a lot. So now this, what will this happen? 2 into x is 32. That becomes x is equals to 32 by 2. So that is 16 is the answer. Similarly, this will be 9 1s are 9 3s, right? I'll get 27 by 9. That will be 3s. This will be 36 by 3, r is equals to, that will give me 12. And this will be w is equals to 44 by 2. All of these are into, right? Same type. So 44 by 2 is 22. And this will be 7 into p is 42. P is 42 by 7. That will be 7 6er. So these are all simple things of similar types. Now I am dealing with the addition part. Right? X plus 4 is equals to 9. X is equals to plus 4 becomes minus 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Plus 7 goes that side, becomes minus 7, right? So x is equals to 16 minus 7 is 9. Now plus x is fine for me. Plus 3 comes this side and becomes minus 3. So plus x is equals to 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. X minus 3, I'll send minus 3 to this side, it will become plus 3. So x is equals to 10. and x minus 4, so let me send minus 4 to this side. That will give me x is equal to 6 plus 4, that's also 10. Let's have something like this, 7 minus x is equals to 3. What should I do? Send minus x to this side, that will become 7 is equals to 3 plus x, that is like plus 7 is equals to plus 3 plus x. Send it this side, that will be plus 7 minus 3 is equals to x, that will give me 4 is equals to x. Again plug it back here, 7 minus 4 is 3, that's fine, that's correct, right? This is how you should deal with this multiplication addition simply. Let's get to slightly difficult ones. Try this. So 2 into x plus 1, it's like this, right? 2 into x plus 1 is equals to 8. One way to do is send it to the denominator. That will become x plus 1 is equals to 8 by 2. That's 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So x plus 1 is equals to 4. Send it that side. That will give me x is equals to 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Or I can also do it slightly tedious way, that is 2x plus 2 is equals to 8. Send it that side. I get 2x is equals to 8 minus 2 6. So x is equals to 6 by 2, that is 3. The same thing. What is the answer for this? X minus 1 is equals to 9 by 3, because 3 into x minus, so that becomes into denominator. So 3 3s are, so x minus 1 is 3, that goes that side, becomes plus 1, so 3 plus 1 is 4. This one also, x plus 2 is equals to 15 by 5, 5 1s are, 5 3s are, plus 2 goes that side, becomes minus 2, 3 minus 2, that is going to be 1. Right, now coming to this part, f by 5 plus 2 is equals to 8, first send it to this side, that will make me f by 5 is equals to 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. As I said, what should I do now? Just do the cross multiplication. Right, so f into 1 is equals to 6 into 5, so f is 30, as simple as it. Right, let's do this one. W by 3 minus 5 goes that side, becomes plus 5, so 2 plus 5 is 7. Just do the cross multiplication. W is equals to 7 into 3, that is 21. Let me change this question a bit. Let's change this to 8 by x plus 3 is equals to 12. Okay, just to give a different experience. So same thing, I first send it this side, I get 8 by x is equals to 12 minus 3 is 9. I cross multiply it, I get 9x is equals to 8 into 1. So 9 into x is 8, so x is equals to 8 by 9. That's the answer for this. As simple as it, right? That's what you should do for this question.